呢一段片咧就接續住咧之前咧講過有兩個 example 啦，關於嗰個CDC 嘅 framework 點樣用啦。咁呢段片咧就想同同學睇一啲咧就佢考試會出嘅，咁但係咧其實就齋睇數據嘅啫，咁啊唔需要啲經濟學嘅概念都得嘅。咁啊當然佢問嘅問題就同啲經濟學嘅概念有關啦。咁我哋睇下2015年啦 Q11A 呢一條啦。咁呢條咧就俾咗個圖嘅，咁個圖咧就有個 direct tax revenue。咁 direct tax 即係個 salary 啊，嗰個嘅salary tax 啊，嗰個 property tax 同埋個 property tax 嘅。咁啊，另外俾咗個 nominal interest rate 啦。咁你見到其實就個 nominal interest rate 咧。好似冇升咁多，又冇跌咁多，咁嗰個嘅 direct tax revenue 咧個變化好大嘅嗱。咁咧呢一個表咧就唔係一個絕對數值，係一個 percentage 啦。如果唔係嘅話，咁啊冇理由嗰個 tax revenue 高過個 GDP 啊嘛。咁而家我哋睇下條問題。咁啊 Figure 1 show the percentage change in direct tax revenue and nominal GDP 咧。咁幅圖講咗啦。咁 refer to Figure 1 describe the relationship between the percentage change in direct tax revenue and the percentage change in nominal GDP。咁佢哋有咩關係啊？叫你形容下啦，咁同埋比較下佢嗰個 trend 啦。其實都差唔多嘅啫。其實兩部分你好難分到 describe the relationship 同埋個 compare the trend。咁你 describe 個 relationship 一定程度上都講咗佢個 trend 啦。咁咧就呢度都講咗。咁其實你有冇讀過經濟學嘅嘢？你睇圖嘅啫嘛，係咪先嚇？咁咧就呢一度就佢問你個 trend， 咁好多同學都會答到佢個 trend 係點啊？一齊升，一齊跌。咁但係咧就好多同學咧就會忽略咗一樣嘢嘅，嗰樣嘢咧就係個 magnitude 啊 ，magnitude 啊。咁其實原來呢條題目咧要講下佢嗰個程度嘅。咁邊個嘅程度得多啲啊？咁啊好明顯係虛線啦，虛線係 direct tax revenue。咁所以咧其實就除咗同學講佢嗰個嘅 trend 之外咧，一齊升一齊跌，咁仲要講咧，原來嗰個嘅 direct tax revenue 個波幅咧係勁過個 nominal GDP 嘅。咁呢條有冇講過原因啊？咁啊唔需要講啦，佢亦都冇叫同學去講啦。咁所以咧睇下個答案啦。個答案咧咁啊個 change 咧 tend to move the same direction 啦。咁如果你講到佢一齊升一齊跌，咁都係一個 same direction， 應該都俾分嘅。咁另外一句就比較少人講到咧，個 fluctuation of the former is greater than that of later。個波幅係大啲。咁呢一度啦就講咗個 direction 啦，嗰個方向啦，即係增加減少。呢一度咧就講咗個 magnitude 啦。咁啊之前咧其實都有同學講過咧，通常嘅錯誤咧就係一啲有 data 嘅題目咧，咁同學會第一眼見到嗰個方向，咁好多同學都會見到嘅，但係咧佢就忽略咗個 magnitude 啦嚇。咁呢個就係啲同學咧經常會漏嘅嘢嚟嘅。咁我哋再睇多條啦。咁呢一條咧就佢話香港經歷經濟衰退啦，2024嘅，咁啊 Covid 嘅關係，咁啊有唔同嘅挑戰。咁啊呢一個表就有個 physical balance 啦，即係個財政嗰個嘅結餘，咁係一個正數係嘛，去到一個負數。咁佢呢度就問你啦 ，How may economic downturn affect the physical balance of Hong Kong government？ 咁香港政府嘅財政餘額點樣影響到？咁咧呢一部分其實就睇圖嘅啫嚇。咁啊第二部分啦 ，explain your answer with reference to the possible effect of economic downturns on the government revenue and expenditure。咁呢部分同學就要去解釋啦。咁咧就第一部分咧，咁好多同學見到係咩啊？跌嘅係嘛？個 direction 就好多同學都會覺得到嘅。咁但係咧 個 Meta 啦，Meta 啦。咁咧就應該係點樣咧？咁好多同學可能會忽略咗嘅。佢講完跌就算啦。咁今次個程度係點樣描述咧？咁啊，同學可以諗下。咁好明顯睇到有一個正數係嘛？正數叫咩啊？Surplus。咁而一個負數咧就叫做一個 deficit 係咪？咁好多同學就漏咗一樣。咁如果你漏咗一樣咧，咁可能佢未必俾分你嘅。咁啊，因為好多同學正常人都應該會點啊？睇到個 direction。咁你冇咗 Meta 咧，佢嗰一分你就未必會攞得到㗎啦。咁咧就economic downturn 對 government revenue 有咩影響？咁啊好明顯係點啊？跌啦，個 expenditure 會增加啦。咁但係咧，呢度同學留意啦，應該要講到個 type 嘅。你講到其中一 type 咧，佢就當你啱晒㗎啦。咁啊睇下嗰個 answer 啦。咁咧就呢條題目就總共4分，但係佢會俾5分嘅。咁所以咧，就算你呢一條題目嘅話，第一 part 你冇答到就 surplus 變 deficit 咧，咁其實可能你呢條題目都唔會失分嘅。咁但係留意咧，其實就佢係會有個 meta 嘅。如果講一啲 data 嘅題目，咁同學留意啦。咁啊，你盡量去寫翻個 meta 啊。咁咧就revenue 嗰部分咧，咁啊你 up 到啦 profits 啊 salary 啊，咁佢個 profit tax 就會少咗啦，係嘛？咁啊，所以就差咗啦，令嗰個嘅財政結餘啊。咁啊多咗失業人士啦，即係你要講到個原因啦，嗰個失業人士嗰個原因啦啊，點解會嗰啲嘅支出會多咗？咁啊，所以政府對嗰個 welfare benefits 嘅話就會增加咗啦。咁啊，所以同學你要留意啦。咁啊，講清楚一啲嘅原因啦，咁啊，同埋講個 subtype。咁啊，之前都即係講同學要留意嘅地方咧，其實都有講過嘅。咁你就要個 category，即係如果佢有嗰個 concept 嗰啲 subcategory 咧，咁咧你就要講翻嘅。如果你冇講到嘅話咧，佢就會唔俾分嘅。咁我呢段片就去到呢度啦。